Operating instructions. Before using the heater, make sure it is placed on a flat and stable surface. Power settings. The heater has 4 power settings. The fan-only setting runs the fan without heat. The low setting provides gentle heat. The high setting provides stronger heat and can quickly warm up the room. The off setting turns the heater off. Note: it is recommended to use the high setting to heat the room quickly, and once the room feels comfortable, switch to the low setting to save electricity. Thermostat control. Turn the thermostat knob clockwise to the highest level. When the room reaches your desired temperature, slowly turn the knob counterclockwise until the heater shuts off automatically. Fan mode. To use the fan, turn the power switch to the fan-only setting. Then, turn the thermostat knob clockwise to the highest level, or to the point where the fan starts running, so that the fan helps maintain the current room temperature. Caution: to avoid burns, do not put your hands in front of the air outlet while the heater is running.